What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So like I said in one of our other videos, if you watch the channel, we did get those new AirPod 4s in-house with ANC. So this is the step up from the base model, the 129 configuration, to the 179 configuration, which I think is going to be a good price point for people looking for a feature-rich headphone and to stay in Apple's ecosystem without splurging a lot more to get those AirPod Pro 2s. So we've been using these since they came out. They are definitely one of our favorite headphones, and I want to show you a quick side-by-side comparison. And as you can see here, they are very comparable in nature. However, you can see some distinct differences just from the case alone. So this isn't going to be a very technical video. I want to really give you guys, as an end user, a basic side-by-side comparison and what to expect. We're going to talk more physically about this instead of technically. Let's jump into it. So first things first, I want to show you guys how they look in your ear. So one of the big differences, as you can see here, is obviously no silicone tip. So you're not going to have that complete seal for the best sound quality that you would get for active noise cancellation as you would with the Pros. But as you can see, typical Apple look in your ears. And here are those AirPod Pros 2 with the silicone tip that we're talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one in as well. And I have one of each in each ear currently. And they're both staying. They're not falling out. It is a good fit even for the ones without the silicone tips if you don't like that additional plug, I guess you can say, in your ear canal. So looking at them, even on camera here, they look very comparable. Do you see any difference from somebody wearing them? Let's go ahead and look at them side by side on the table. So as you can see, before we even jump into the headphones themselves, the cases are ever so slightly different. This is much squarer, where this is more rectangular, and this is definitely much more compact, which I am a huge fan of. Aside from that, physically different, you can see the LED indicator on the AirPods Pro 2, whereas opposed to it kind of being sheltered and hidden away on the new AirPods 4. Likewise on the back, you had a pairing button prior. Now there is no other button on the back side of the case. What it is it's actually a captive button, same with the LED, that pops up when you open the case. And if you touch here twice right under that LED, that is when you will be in pairing mode. So neat little cleaner look that it offered from before. Now jumping to the headphones, again, you can see the slight difference in the drivers, obviously, the mics and all of that. The stems are very comparable, and I believe if you look at them at this angle, you can't even tell which is which. It really truly is only when you put them on their sides and notice one has a silicone tip and the other does not. One call out here as well, on the AirPods Pros, they have that volume control on the stem. So right where you have that little indentation there, you can swipe up and down for volume control. Unfortunately, on the actual AirPods 4, you can see that cutout is a little smaller and it only enables you to tap. It does not enable volume scrolling. So that's a little bit of a disappointment, but take that for what you want. I did use that feature all the time, so I'm a little more disappointed that it is not there, but not a deal breaker to say the least. One other call out too on these cases that I almost forgot to mention. So you obviously do have a lanyard loop hole on the Pros. You do not have that on the AirPods 4. More importantly though, these cases do have wireless charging built in, but they are different. The Pros use MagSafe charging, and then this actually uses a charger for, like, say, your Apple Watch. Because of the case is so much smaller, it can only fit that size puck as opposed to MagSafe like these used to charge on, so keep that in mind as well. So really, there's no reason to keep dragging this video on. There's not too much other to discuss physically about these two devices. I did just want to show you those, and again, remind you, even if you get these over the standard AirPod 4s, you are getting the Find My support with the speaker in the case, you're getting the wireless charging like we said, and they are worth the $50 difference to us personally. Let us know in the comments down below. I'll throw in those affiliate links. Please use those if you're going to purchase one. It greatly helps out the channel. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.